In the Khan Academy video that you were assigned to watch, you came across the following result, that the limit of sine of x over x as x tends towards 0 is 1. Now this is a very important result, and I'm going to use that result in order to prove, so I'm going to prove that the limit as x tends towards 0 of tan x over x is also 1. So this video is about that proof, using the previous results that you saw in the Khan Academy video. So let's have a look at our proof. Alright, so let's start with our left-hand side. Our left-hand side, we have the limit as x tends towards 0 of tan x over x. Now that is equal to the limit as x tends towards 0, and now I'm just going to replace tan of x with sine x over cos x, and I'm dividing all of that by x. Okay, so now we can rearrange that. We can use different times. So I've got limit as x tends towards 0 of sine x over cos x multiplied by 1 over x, and then I'm going to rearrange that. So I'm going to put the sine x and the x together, and then I'm going to put the 1 over cos x separately. So here I've got the limit as x tends towards 0 of sine x over x multiplied by 1 over cos x. Now, one of the properties of limits is that the limit of the product, in other words something times something, is the same as the product of the limits. So I can take the limit of each of those factors. So here I'm going to have that it's equivalent to the limit as x tends towards 0 of sine x over x multiplied by the limit as x tends towards 0 of 1 over cos x. Now we know from our previous piece of information, so let's have a look, we know from this that the limit of sine x of x is 1. So let's go back down here. So the limit as x tends towards 0 of sine x over x is 1. Now we can also find the limit as x tends towards 0 of 1 over cos x. In this case, you can just replace the x with 0. So cos 0, you can use your calculator or think of a trig graph. Cos of 0 is 1. So we land up with 1 over 1, which is 1, and 1 times 1 is 1, which is precisely what we wanted to prove. So therefore, we've proven that the limit as x tends towards 0 of tan x over x is 1.